How to add spouse to SoFi account. SoFi is a fintech company offering a wide range of online financial services, including loans, banking, investing, and insurance, known for its career coaching and financial planning. To add your spouse to your SoFi account, start by opening the SoFi website and clicking on Login. Use your email and password to sign in. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab labeled Money. Click on More. Then select Joint Account Holder. Enter the required information, including the joint account holder's name, email address, and their relationship to you. Check the box to give SoFi permission to contact the person and send them an invitation. Once the person receives the invitation and completes their application, you will need to approve them as your joint account holder from your SoFi account dashboard. Thanks for watching.